Okay, so hello everybody, what's up? So in this today's videos, we are going to discuss bond order tricks. Okay, this is one of the most important topic, and you'll be able to solve questions within 30 seconds related to bond order. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, so very often we come across such questions where we are being asked to arrange such molecules in increasing or decreasing order of their bond order, isn't it? So it is quite difficult for us to draw MOs. If we solve if we try to find bond order by the traditional method, where we need to draw the MOs like this, we need to fill electrons, and just like we need to find the electrons in bonding orbital, then we need to subtract it from electrons in AB, like anti-bonding orbital, then we need to divide it by 2. This is the traditional method to find the bond order. Okay, so like this is good method. I'm not against this method, but it is good for the species which have electrons lesser than 10 only. Then only we can easily calculate by drawing MOs and all. But what if the molecule will have electron greater than 10? Now it is actually very difficult to find the bond order for such molecules. Okay, so yeah, here's the trick. So you just need to remember N2. Okay, it exists like this, N triple bond N, and this is why it is more stable at room temperature. At room temperature. Okay, and this is the question which is is very famous in P block. Okay, so this is the reason that it has N triple bond N in it. That's why it is more stable. So what is bond order? It is the number of bonds between two atoms, so it is 3 over here. So you just need to remember that N2 has 3 bond order. As you can see over here that N2 has 7 plus 7, and the total is 14 electrons in it. How much? 14 electrons in it. So just this thing you need to remember, that if a molecule will have 14 electrons in it, its bond order is going to be 3. Okay, so now here comes the trick. So if a molecule will have 14 electrons in it, it will have 3 bond order. Now let's write the numbers after 14. 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now write the numbers before 14, which are 13, 12, 11 and 10. You just need to subtract zero point 0.5 at each step. Now let's do it. 2.5 over here, 2, it is going to be 1.5 over here, it is going to be 1. 2.5, 2, 1.5 and 1. Okay, so how simple it is now. Okay, so if a molecule will have 14 electrons, its bond order is going to be 3, 15, 2.5, 16, 2. You just need to subtract zero point 0.5 at each step. Okay, so now let's just take example and look how easy it is. N2, N2 plus, N2, 2 plus. Okay, so N2 has 14 electrons, N2 plus has 13, N2 2 plus has 12 electrons in it. Okay, so what is the bond order of I'm sorry, it is visible. Yeah. Okay, so N2 has 14, so its bond order is 3. Here it is going to be 2.5 because it has 13 electrons in it. It is here, it is going to be 2. Okay, so what is the order of bond order? Yeah, this is the increasing order for bond order. Okay, this is how simple it is. Let's take one more example, you'll understand it better. Okay, so here's the example. Yeah, I hope it's visible. Okay, so example goes like this. Okay, O2, 2 plus, O2 plus, O2, O2 minus, O2, 2 minus. Okay, so O2 has 16 electrons in it, 8 plus 8. I hope you understand. If we add 1 electron, it is going to be 17. Here it is going to be 18 because we have added 2 electrons. O2 plus means 15 and O2 2 plus means 14. So as I have already told you that if a molecule will have 14 electrons in it, the bond order is going to be 3. If 15, 16, 17, 18, then subtract 0.5 at each step. Okay, so 2.5, it is going to be 2 over here, it is going to be 2, 1.5, it is going to be 1 over here. So what is the order? What is the increasing order? I'm asking the increasing order. See how simple this is. This is going to be the order. Okay, let's take one more example. If you have watched my previous video, and if you haven't, please go and watch that video, and that is very useful for you. So like you'll be able to solve this question, N2 and O2. Now just tell me the order of bond order, bond length and bond energy. Okay, you just need to tell me the order. Okay, so here we know it is quite simple that bond order is 3. Over here it is going to be C, O2 has 16 electrons, so the bond order is going to be 2. So what is the order of bond order? It is going to be N2 is greater than O2. Okay, and what about bond length? If you have watched my previous video, you might would have solved it, I think. So in my previous video I have told you that bond length is inversely proportional to bond order. Okay, so what is going to be the order of bond length? It's going to be like this: O2 is greater than N2. Okay, what about bond energy? This you need to tell me. And just pause the video and tell me what is the order of bond energy. Yeah, pause the video. Okay, so I hope you have tried it. So what is the order of bond energy? Yes, you are definitely correct. It is N2 is greater than O2. Because higher the bond order, higher is the bond energy. Okay, so I hope you might would have understand what's the trick, and you will be able to solve each and every question. Trust me, just try it. Just try a few more questions which are being asked in previous years. Okay, I mean IIT JEE previous year questions. You will be able to solve all the questions, trust me. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want me to like take videos on your demand, please comment down below and let me know what is what is the topic you want me to, okay, to make a video. Okay, so yeah, subscribe to my channel, like, share. Thank you very much.